Kitten's daily drama. Rise and shine. Human. Kitten needs breakfast now. Clearly. Sleep is for the weak.
If you think I'm waiting another minute, you're mistaken.
Breakfast time. Kitten demands gourmet meals. But today he's served regular cat food.
Excuse me. I ordered tarte de salmon.
Kitten's ideal playtime is knocking things off shelves.
I'm redecorating.
His human disagrees.
Oh, man!
In the afternoon, Kitten decides to practice his hunting skills. His target, the elusive red dot.
I will catch you this time.
Kitten sees a sofa and decides to leap onto it.
I am an Olympic jumper.
He misjudges the distance. After his hard time, it's time for a nap. Kitten chooses the most inconvenient place, right on his human's laptop.
Perfect spot.
Disaster strikes. Bath time. Kitten complains as he is placed in the water.
I'm a cat, not a fish.
Dinner time. Kitten once again demands gourmet cuisine. This time, he gets his way.
Finally, some respect around here.
In the evening, Kitten watches TV with his human. He discovers his underwater adversaries.
Yummy, yummy. Fishy in my tummy. Rub my tummy. I'll make you happy.
Bedtime. Kitten decides to sleep on the comfiest spot. His human's bed.
Good night, world.
Every day is an adventure when you're as sassy and demanding as Kitten. Life is what you make it, even if you're a spoiled kitten. What will Kitten do tomorrow? Stay tuned.
Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.